Practice set 1.3, sum number 3. Two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now when you look at the figure, we don't understand which one is the pole and which is the shadow. So since we don't have the information, let us start with the solution. Let AC and PR represent poles of length 8 meter and 4 meter respectively. Now when you see the poles have been erected, that is, it is perpendicular to the ground. So let us show 90 degree in the figure. If the poles are perpendicular to the ground, then their shadows has to be on the ground. So next step, let BC and QR represent the respective shadows of the poles at the same time. And this is what we have been given. There are a few values given to us. There is a shorter pole, that is PR. There is a longer pole, AC. The shadow of the shorter pole is given to us as 6. We need to find the shadow casted by the longer pole, that is BC, and that is X. We know this type of triangles are naturally similar. So let us write the next step. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, we know it, right? If the triangles are similar, then the ratios are equal. Therefore, AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. This is by corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now tell me students, how much is AC? 8. How much is PR? 4 is equal to BC. X upon QR is 6. Let us cross multiply. 8 into 6 is equal to X into 4. Therefore, 8 into 6 upon 4 is equal to X. We know 8 and 4 are divisible. So 4 ones are, 4 twos are. And we know it, 2 into 6 is 12. Therefore, X is equal to 12 meters. This is nothing but the length of the shadow casted by longer pole, which is equal to 12 meters. Thank you.